Hey, have you wondered why is dollar the most strongest currency, or even if it is not the strongest currency, why is it called the universal currency? Why is everything revolving around dollar? Let me try to explain this in terms of what is a petrodollar, right? The meaning of this word petrodollar, or the impact or the essence of this word petrodollar, is in around 1970s, Saudi and US struck a deal between themselves, okay? That US was offering them military support, US was offering them a kind of protection, and Saudi, one of the largest producers of oils for the entire world, they said that okay, if you give us the protection, we will price the oil based on a dollar units of currency. Like our pricing will be either $5, $10, $7, $3, $4. So they said like our oil pricing will be based on your currency of dollar. So what it gave dollar? It gave dollar a very very superpower. Just imagine dollar like just they're in some kind of economic downturn or a recession. So US could just go and print more currencies of dollars, and with those dollars they will just go and buy the oil because it's very easy for them. Because end of the day, currency's value is about its purchasing power, and dollar always has a strong purchasing power because of it could buy the oil because of it has more dollar, or it could just print more dollars. So this is why the US dollar is considered as a central currency, or unofficially it is considered as the most important currency across the world. It is considered as the base currency. Now how is it linked to gold pricing? Now, because of this geopolitical tensions and the war that is going on around the world between the different economies, and there is a war which is going on now between the Israel, US, and the Iran. There is a Strait of Hormuz which is getting blocked. Now, because of all this, what happens is there is a instability in the overall economy at a at a global level. So at these times, the value of currency or the dependency of currency, even the central banks of big nations would like to reduce. So the central banks suddenly start to chase gold because gold will never lose its value. The value of a currency is the power to which it can purchase things. But gold is a precious metal, and gold will always remain gold. It will always have its value. And gold has a limited supply in a year. So when there are more people that are chasing gold, the price of gold is going to increase. So this is the linkage between what is the concept of a petrodollar, where the oil pricing is based on the dollar, and when the countries fear that the currencies are not so very favorable or stable, then they start chasing the gold, because of this the prices of gold are going up.